I always felt that the day I fall in love, this is how I would like to be. No matter what people call me. They call me obsessive, they call me possessive, they call me a so-called red flag.
तो से नैना
तो से नैना के पिया सावरे मोहब्बत तो एक जावेदा जिंदगी है शमा को पिघलने का अरमा क्यों है. It keeps flowing. कैसे जिया जाए इश्क बिन कैसे जिया
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Later on, a lot of people realize after seeing the CD, that time we used to have CDs.
Yeah.
There are actually 3 voices in the song.
Yeah, yeah. Is there a certain person that you wished you were? I do want to ask you a few of your tracks that I've written down. Tell us what you most love about these songs,
Sure.
okay? Phir Mohabbat, what most about this song?
I love the fact that I could put in multiple voices together and make it one emotion. It wasn't pre-planned, but I recorded all my singers separately at different time zones. And I kept experimenting with different parts, structures. And finally, I put the song together as one, and it sounded right to me. I played it to Mohit, and he loved it. And Mukesh Ji Bhatt Sahab loved the song, and I sent it for mix. And then later on, a lot of people realized after seeing the CD, that time we used to have CDs.
Yes.
There are actually 3 voices in the song.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's one emotion. There's one storyteller, but 3 voices.
Yeah. And I've always wanted to ask you this, कि ये कैसा, duet तो हमने सुना था, लेकिन, there are 3 voices here and they're all different and it was very interesting. So it was a happy accident. Can we say that?
Absolutely.
Happy accident?
Yes.
All right. Wo Ajnabi?
I love the claps are one of my favorite instruments. I really love using claps in song. I think they add a lot of momentum to a track. And that song is entirely based on claps. So that's one of the things I love about the song.
I love that about the song too. I think that song has a thump, which I feel is just like this crazy rhythm. And I love that song even today. I still play it. Favorite song from the Aashiqui 1, the original Aashiqui soundtrack. Do you have one?
I think I would go with Tu Meri Zindagi Hai.
Kya gaana hai? Super. From Aashiqui 2 soundtrack?
My personal favorite? Okay, if I just keep aside Tum Hi Ho for now, I really loved Bhula Dena a lot.
Yeah.
Beautiful melody.
Yeah, and also very underrated. Not that discussed. So thank you so much for giving us an opportunity. To se naina.
I loved the fluidity of the song. उस गाने का कोई structure नहीं है. तो मुखड़े अंतरे वाला उसमें कोई binding नहीं है. वो जाते रहता है. It flows. It's got तो से नारा के पिया सावरे मोहब्बत तो एक जावेदा जिंदगी है शमा को पिघलने का अरमा क्यों है. It keeps flowing. कैसे जिया जाए इश्क बिन कैसे जिया जाए. बिल्कुल.
I feel that
ध्यान
song.
ध्यान ध्यान दरमन.
Yeah.
These are just expressions which are just flowing.
I love that. Thank you. You put it so nicely. This is why we want to talk to you, yeah? Okay, Maula Mere Maula.
Maula Mere Maula, I love that line written by Saeed Qadri ji. रखूं छुपा के कहीं तुझको साया भी तेरा नाम है दूं. I always felt that the day I fall in love, this is how I would like to be. No matter what people call me. They call me obsessive, they call me possessive, they call me a so-called red flag. I don't care, but this is how I would like to be with the woman I love. I'm in love with. Love. And that's how I am today.
Kabir Singh, what do you love about that soundtrack? I think it's a very, very, very good soundtrack. It's, again, it was another phase of music, I feel. Kabir Singh ka soundtrack just broke through again. What is your favorite song from there and why?
I think I would choose Tujhe Kitna Chaane Lage Hum. There was something very endearing about the way I wrote the song myself, and the way the expression is put forth. It's not very layered. It's very basic. It's very simple, but still intense. When you say कि तेरे बिन ना लेंगे एक भी दम, तेरे साथ हो जाएंगे खत्म, तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम. So तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम is a very basic expression. It's not something that would make for great poetry recital, but when the way it comes in the song, I love the way that this sat. And
that's the difference between lyric writing and poetry writing.
Could be one way of looking at it.
Sanam Re, I think what a song. I think another song that deserves. Radio ने बहुत इस song का शोषण किया है, इस्तेमाल किया है, because it's just every time you play it, it's just so hummable, it's so lovable. Does this have a special place in your heart?
Yeah, I really love the heartland value that Sanam Re has, and what would I say is special for me about that song? So I wrote that song when I was actually on my way. I was flying to Abu Dhabi for a concert, and a lot of it I actually wrote on a flight.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I
Beautiful.
conceptualized it right. The basic melody was there. The song had already was already with the director for shoot, but I was putting forward the antra, and I think those lines that मेरा मुकद्दर सवारा है यूं, नया
बिल्कुल.
सवेरा जो लाया है तू, तेरे संग ही बिताने हैं मुझको, मेरे सारे जन्म रे.
क्या बात है.
So
Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. Think about हमारी अधूरी कहानी is that the entire soundtrack was the film for me, okay? And I just feel that it was such a quintessential Mahesh Bhatt world where you turn around and you're looking at them and the music is telling you the story, okay? Was that a soundtrack that was special for you too?
I think हमारी अधूरी कहानी has been one of the most intense stories in that sense that I've worked with. I think Mohit was very committed to displaying the dignity and the layers of that relationship. You know, in society can have various perspectives on the relationship between Imran Hashmi's character and Vidyaji's character in the film.
Yeah.
But he wanted to maintain the dignity of it, and so I think that process was something which rubbed off on me as well. And the song that I did for the film, "Ae Hum Nawa."
Oh man, would you sing a little bit today for us?
Yes, I'll sing a little bit. "Ae Hum Nawa, मुझे अपना बना ले, सूखी पड़ी दिल की इस ज़मीं को भिगा दे, हूँ अकेला जरा हाथ बढ़ा दे, सूखी पड़ी दिल की इस ज़मीं को भिगा दे, कब से मैं दर दर फिर रहा, मुसाफिर दिल को पना दे, तू आवारगी को मेरी आज ठहरा दे, हो सके तो थोड़ा प्यार जता दे, सूखी पड़ी दिल की इस ज़मीं को भिगा दे.
Oh man, goosebumps! That was so beautiful. Thank you for singing for us.
Thank you.
Is there a favorite singer that you work with? Is there a certain person that you wished you worked with?
Lata ji.
Oh my God. But you must have met her.
I had the good fortune के चरण स्पर्श करके उनका आशीर्वाद मैं ले चुका हूँ 1 या 2 बार. But वो एक आवाज है, मुझे लगता है कि मैंने जब उनका when we unfortunately lost her, I had written something उस विषय में, and I was not sure should I put it out. And then when Palak read it, she told me that this is one of the most beautiful things she's ever heard in context of Lata ji. You should put it out. I put it out then on my Instagram. and मैंने लिखा था कि कोई भी आर्टिस्ट जब होता है वो एक क्या कहते हैं ना कि हम जैसे सा को ढूंढते हैं, सा की साधना करने में मतलब पूरा जीवन निकल जाता है उस सुरों को सही सा को खोजते हुए. तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि हर आर्टिस्ट जो है वो अपना जीवन व्यतीत करता है सा को खोजने में या सुर को खोजने में, और वो अपने आप में बहुत खूबसूरत सफर है. लेकिन अगर ये एक तसव्वुर की बात है, अगर कोई मुझे लगता है कि सृष्टि में ऐसी कोई आर्टिस्ट रही है जो सुरों को खोजती नहीं है बल्कि सुर उनको खोजते हुए आए, और बोले उनको खोजते हुए आए कि हे माँ, आप अपने गले से, अपने श्वास से हमको जीवन दीजिए, क्योंकि आपके गले से ही हमारा आकार जो है वो स्पष्ट और सिद्ध निकलेगा. तो मुझे लगता है वो लता जी है.
Oh my God, goosebumps, man. What a thought. What a beautiful thought. And I do want to say here that the greatest thing about her is how casually she took herself. हम फोन करते थे हर साल उनके जन्मदिन पर, रेडियो पे हम ये चीजें कर पाते थे. हर साल वो फोन उठाकर इतने विनम्रता से हमसे बात करती. हम तो यार मतलब कौन है. I mean, I'll be honest with you, I'm a girl from Sion, guys. Honestly, everything in my life is a bonus. Speaking to a Lata Mangeshkar had to be the peak of what we've ever achieved. And we would say, you know, calling from the radio, happy birthday. And then she'd be like, आप घर कब आ रहे हैं? आप रेडियो हैं? She had so much respect for the medium, and that's when I realized that she may be Lata Mangeshkar, but she's Lata Mangeshkar because she knows how to give respect. And I feel जितना आप respect देते हो, उसका 10 गुना आपको मिलता है. And she was just wonderful. She used to say, घरी ये वरण भात and तूप देते तुला, and I used to be like, wow. And my mom used to be like, do you know today what has happened? Like the greatest thing in the world has happened to you. I miss her a lot. I mean, we all miss her a lot. But that's a great thing. I wish you and she would have done a collaboration at some point. Is there an artist currently who you haven't collaborated with, who you think you'd want to?
I think Jaspinder Narula ji has a fantastic voice. I'd love to record her someday.
She really does. Yeah. And she's lovely.
Yes.
That would be awesome.
Yeah, she's a powerhouse of a talent.